The secrets of Comet ATLAS, the origin that defies science. What if we discovered a visitor in our solar system unlike anything we've ever seen before? A cosmic messenger arriving from a star we don't even know, hundreds, maybe thousands of light years away. And what if this object, as it passed through our celestial backyard, began behaving so strangely that it forced scientists to rethink everything they know about comets? Well, this isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, it's happening right now, and the protagonist of this story is real. Its name is 3I/ATLAS, discovered in July 2025. It is only the third interstellar object ever detected by humanity, but it's no ordinary tourist. Its bizarre characteristics and highly anomalous composition are challenging science and creating one of the biggest astronomical mysteries of our time. 1. The interstellar enigma. To understand the excitement around 3I/ATLAS, we first need to understand what it is. The I in its name stands for interstellar. That means, unlike the planets and almost all the comets we know, it did not form with our sun. It's a foreigner. Before it, we had only 2 confirmed interstellar visitors, the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017 and the Comet 2I/Borisov in 2019. Each gave us a glimpse of what exists out there in distant star systems. They are like messages in a cosmic bottle, carrying clues about where they came from. Their journey through space may have lasted millions, or even billions of years, until, by pure chance, their paths crossed ours. But 3I/ATLAS seems to be in a category of its own, since it was first seen by the Atlas system in Chile on July 1st, 2025. Astronomers realized they had something special on their hands. Not only was it confirmed to be a traveler from another star, but it also began displaying behavior that defies easy explanation. This leads to 2 massive questions driving a global scientific investigation. First, what star system did it come from? Second, what is it actually made of? The answers might not only rewrite what we know about comets, but also reshape our understanding of how planets form across the galaxy. 2. The cosmic chase. Tracing the origin of an object like 3I/ATLAS is one of astronomy's greatest challenges. Think about it. It's like trying to identify which beach a single grain of sand drifting in the middle of the ocean came from. The first step was to analyze its trajectory. Immediately, something stood out: its insane velocity. 3I/ATLAS is tearing through the solar system at over 220,000 kilometers per hour. This speed is so extreme that its orbit is hyperbolic, meaning that instead of looping around the sun like normal comets, it's just passing by. It came from the darkness, will give the sun a quick hello, and then will be slingshotted back into deep space, never to return. This trajectory is the unmistakable signature of an interstellar visitor. By calculating its path backward, astronomers found that it came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. The problem is, that region contains millions of stars. Finding which one is its home star is a cosmic detective job involving the motion of stars over eons. While one team searches for its origin, another focuses on its composition. To discover what 3I/ATLAS is made of, scientists use spectroscopy, analyzing the light it reflects. Every chemical element leaves a kind of barcode in the light, and this is where things started to get weird. 3. An alien composition. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope brought the first major surprise. The chemistry of 3I/ATLAS is undeniably bizarre. Comets in our solar system are rich in water ice, but this visitor seems to have very little water. Instead, its coma, the gas cloud around it, is dominated by carbon dioxide, CO2, and not just a little, a massive amount. This discovery is huge. We often see comets as fossils of planetary formation, holding original ingredients. If comets in other parts of the universe contain far more CO and far less water, that may mean planets forming in those. Systems could be radically different from ours. It challenges the idea that water and the building blocks of life are universal. But the oddities don't stop there. As it approached the sun, 3I/ATLAS behaved unpredictably. Its activity, the way it released gas and dust, didn't match the models that work for known comets. Even its tail didn't form the way it should have for such an active comet. All of this pushed the scientific debate into fascinating, controversial territory. 4. Theories on the edge of science. With so many anomalies, the scientific community is buzzing. Most astronomers agree that despite its strangeness, 3I/ATLAS is a natural object. The most likely explanation, this is the first time we're witnessing how a comet from a completely different stellar environment reacts to our sun. Maybe it came from an older star system, or one with very different chemistry. Maybe its journey through the galaxy altered it in ways we don't yet understand. Still, the situation brings echoes of the debate around Oumuamua when astrophysicist Avi Loeb suggested it might have an artificial origin. That idea remains extremely controversial. In the case of 3I/ATLAS, no one is claiming anything technological, but its long list of oddities forces scientists to think outside the box and question the simplest explanations. And this is exactly how science advances. 5. A global scientific effort. The importance of this comet is so significant that it triggered one of the largest astronomical observation campaigns in history. NASA and the European Space Agency mobilized their most powerful instruments. Hubble Space Telescope captured high-resolution images to measure its nucleus. James Webb analyzed its chemical fingerprint. Ground-based telescopes worldwide are tracking its behavior. A common question keeps popping up. Does it pose any danger? Fortunately, the answer is a clear no. At its closest approach to Earth, on December 19th, 2025, it will still be about 270 million kilometers away, completely harmless. The interest in it is purely scientific. The passage of 3I/ATLAS through our solar system is a rare event, a once-in-a-lifetime chance to study a piece of another world passing through our own cosmic neighborhood. It arrived as an enigma, a messenger from an unknown star system. We learned that its chemistry defies our models, its path is a quick one-time flyby, and its behavior has sparked as much fascination as debate. Now, it begins its long journey back into deep space, where it may continue traveling for billions of years. But the questions it leaves behind will echo in our observatories for a long time. And you, what's your theory about the true origin of Comet ATLAS? A fossil from an exotic star system, or something completely different? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the universe's biggest mysteries, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next investigation.